Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to transfer Toncoin or any coin from here from Telegram to OKX wallet. So this tutorial will be quick and simple. Make sure to subscribe to this channel before we dive into. Now you want to go ahead on your wallet on Telegram and click on send option. As you can see, my wallet is now empty, so I cannot have and show it to you specifically, but basically on Toncoin you can click send and then you will have an option to choose external wallet. So you want to go ahead and choose that option. Now you want to go to your OKX, and on OKX wallet you want to go ahead and click receive option. To receive you want to choose TON, and here you will have your address of your OKX wallet. You want to copy it, and after that you want to go back to your Telegram, and basically you will paste that address to that space where it says wallet address. You then paste it and send it to your OKX. That's it. If this video was helpful, make sure to subscribe and I will see you next time. Bye.